Hey, and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will compare OBS Studio and Streamlabs in 2025 as which one is the best free streaming software. If you're looking for the best software for screen recording or streaming for your PC, then watch this till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads, and let's get into this. Despite their similar names, Streamlabs OBS and OBS Studio are not the same program. While they're both open-source platforms, they are actually competitors and are completely different programs with similar functionalities and features. OBS is free, open-source platform with capabilities to record your screen and stream live videos. It's popular with many video streamers because it can capture and record multiple scenes or screens at the same time. So, whether you're creating a presentation or tutorial, or you're streaming gameplay on Twitch, OBS Studio lets you choose multiple windows, applications, or screen areas to record at once. This feature also works across multiple monitors or displays, and you can record footage from your webcam and add it as an overlay in your video as well. There are many pros, like it's 100% free with no watermark, high-definition export video formats, multiple interface configuration options. But there are also some cons, like it's incompatible with older versions of Windows and unintuitive user interface. Streamlabs developers market it as an all-in-one live streaming program. This means that Streamlabs can not only record your screen and webcam footage, but it can also broadcast streaming video to multiple platforms, including Facebook Live, Twitch, and YouTube. It has key features like its test feature for troubleshooting before going live, free integrated themes and overlays for easy customization, built-in chat platform. It has comprehensive dashboard with events, view times, and analytics. Built-in feature to easily accept donations or payments. Automated spam filter in chat feature. But it uses significant processing power and requires paid subscription for premium features. That was a basic overview comparison between OBS Studio and Streamlabs as streaming softwares. With this in mind, you can easily decide what suits you and your workflow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.